Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Infinix SMART 8 and I want to show you how fix the problem when you have a connect with internet but your game not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. If you have the same problem as mine, you search your game but you don't have it there, you can install it. We must go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store, where we press on our photo on the right corner. Now Settings, Family and Parental Control. There we have page 3. To visible game as Mobile Legends games, Call of Duty games or something like this one, we need more than page 3. To change it, we press there. Now we must enter connect pin to our parental control, and after that we can easily change it by tap to the page 16 maybe, confirm by got it and save. We can also turn off our parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store and try search Mobile Legends again, which is visible right now. See you soon, bye!